Good morning from Paris, Vegas. We had a heck of a night last night, a little traumatic, but we're gonna go get some breakfast and then we have to hit the road, and we actually still haven't figured out our next stop. So,
Yeah.
woohoo. All right, our breakfast plans changed a little bit for two reasons. One, we didn't find any one thing in our hotel that we actually really liked, and two, there wasn't anything that wasn't over $20 a person. And then you would add like coffee and stuff added onto that. So because we picked a destination to go today, which was the Hoover Dam, we're actually going to find something a little bit outside of the city just to get past all the hustle and bustle, and then we're going to go to a very, very cool historic site and explore around. So stay tuned. Perks of driving a motorcycle. We came right into the parking garage and they waved us right over right before you even go through to the next level because they have motorcycle parking. Woo!
Months, the last amount of solid volcanic rock in line each of them with about 400,000 cubic yards of concrete. Once they accomplished that, they built the Coffer Dam. The upper Coffer Dam lifted the Colorado River into these diversion tunnels, moving the water around the construction site. Lower Coffer Dam prevented water from backfilling into the construction site. With those two dams, they isolated that area for construction. Once that was accomplished, that area was drained in 135 feet of loose rock and sediment, excavated and removed the exposed bedrock below.
one thing I realized is that when you start checking off your bucket list items, you start adding more things and your bucket gets heavier. Bigger? But heavier? Heavy bucket? I don't know. How many states have you been to today?
2.
Definitely worth the $15 for the power plant tour. Afterwards, we got to walk all over the entire dam. We got to go to some cool overviews, take a lot of pictures. Not to mention the guides on our tour were really funny and had really cool information. We have made it to our final destination, and that is the Calico Ghost Town, and we are going to be camping out tonight because, as you can clearly see, we are not being followed by the snow. It is nice and warm, so we're going to go ahead and get a camp set up and relax for a little bit.